Okay, multi-view drawing, formative video. You've obviously accessed the teacher-made videos because you're watching this. Once I go over the 5 puzzle pieces, this will make more sense. But you must do a multi-view of the red piece. There are no hidden lines on the red piece. If you draw it in the correct orientation, front, top, and right, that I ask you to do it in. But then you must select 2 of the remaining 4 puzzle pieces and do 2 more multi-views of those 2 of the 4 that you select. Those 2 will have some type of hidden line somewhere, either in the top or the right. Please make sure that you really understand the object before you start doing the multi-view. Okay. Make sure that the 3 views that you're going to draw, the front, the top, and the right, are aligned properly. Use construction lines, light lines, make sure that they align correctly. The puzzle pieces are made of wooden blocks. Each wooden block is going to be equivalent to 3 grid spaces on your grid paper in your design journal. So one block, if you drew 1 block, it would be a 3 by 3 grid space. Show all object lines when you're drawing it, and hidden lines if you're able to show them, because an object line isn't in the way of showing where the hidden line would be in those instances. Make sure you take a picture of it when you're done. Make sure that it's viewable and it's understandable and it's like a close-up of it and that's not too far away, and then drop them into here. Okay. The grading for each one, for each of the 3 is here. Each one's worth 10 points, 30 points total. 6, 2, and 2 equals 10, and that's the breakdown of how each of the 3 are going to get graded. Okay, so these are the 5 puzzle pieces that we have. I'm going to go ahead and move them out of the way for a second. When you draw it, please make sure you put the front in the bottom left, as you've learned, the top in the top left, and the right in the bottom right corner. This is where the isometric would go. You don't need to complete it. That's where the front, top, right matching isometric would go. Instead, identify which color block you were drawing here. So you can just write red here. So this is the red piece. This is how the piece looks. You can obviously see that it's composed of wooden blocks. You can count how many wide it is, how many tall it is, and the different features. This is the right view. Coming back. And this is the top view. Okay, so you must do this one. After that, you can choose from the next 4 that I show. Here's this one. This is the yellow one. This is the right view. All right. This is the top view. Okay. Just trying to show you some of the features of the object, that there's a little cut in right there. There we go. Just kind of hold it in isometric for you. Okay. So that's an option of one of your 4. Here's the blue piece. This is the front. This would be the right view. And we have surface back here. And here is the top view. That's what the top view would look like. And again, like a hidden surface. There's a surface right there. Okay, so that's the blue piece. Here is the orange piece. This would be the front view. This is the right view. Okay, right here. And here is the top view, right here. Back to the front. And finally, here's the green piece. This is your front view. Here is your right view. And here is your top view. Okay. Here is holding it in isometric. Something like that. Here is the orange being held in isometric. Front right top. Like that. And here is the yellow one being held in isometric. Okay. Here's the blue being held in isometric. All right, and finally, here is the red one being held in isometric. You must do this one. Okay, thank you.